Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use ChurnZero 2026. So let's get started. First, go to the ChurnZero website and request a demo. Over here, enter your email address, submit the form, and schedule your demo. Then wait for the ChurnZero team to contact you and walk you through the platform. After that, once you're satisfied, they will give you an account. Over here, use your Google, Microsoft, or email login to access your dashboard. Then integrate ChurnZero with your CRM or billing system to sync all your customer data. After that, open the dashboard to view key features like health scores, workflows, engagements, and reports. Over here, import your existing customer data and create detailed profiles. Then start monitoring your customer success metrics right away. After that, go to the health score section, view account level scores, and set scoring rules based on product usage, support tickets, or payment history. Over here, use the color-coded indicators to spot at-risk customers. Then reach out to them with personalized messages or offers. After that, open the Workflow tab to create automated workflows. Over here, set trigger points such as low usage or missed payments, and choose actions like sending emails or assigning tasks. Then preview the workflow and activate it. After that, go to the Engagement tab to design campaigns for different customer segments. Over here, use dynamic variables like name or account details to personalize your messages. Then monitor open rates, click-through rates, and feedback to measure performance. After that, open the reporting section to view churn rate, retention trends, product usage, and customer lifetime value. Over here, use these insights to understand customer behavior and improve your strategy. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.